So this is going to be a really quick video showing you how to remove the battery on your Dyson V10 vacuum. Basically, if anything goes wrong with this vacuum, the first thing you want to look at, assuming it won't power on like this, is that the battery is broken or just obviously needs to be recharged. If it's not charging though, or if this indicator light right there is not going on, then you want to look to the battery, and the battery can be replaced. I think it sells for about $60 or something like that, direct from Dyson. The battery can be replaced and the vacuum can usually be salvaged if it's not charging or not powering on. Obviously, within the warranty period, you're going to want to talk to Dyson and they will probably send you a new vacuum or a new battery. So how do you remove the battery? It's very simple. The only part you will need is a screwdriver. In this case, you want a fine Phillips head screwdriver. That's the one that's shaped like a plus sign with the 4 little pieces. And you want one with a pretty sharp edge because these are tiny little screws. In fact, here's one of the screws. It's a coarse thread, so you definitely have to apply some pressure to it. And it's a very small, fine head, so you want to be really careful not to strip that out. There are 3 screws. 2 are on the bottom, 1, 2. So if you're looking at the battery, this is the battery here. 2 are here on the front, and you can see them right there. 1, 2. 1 is on the back. This one's sort of tricky. It's right here. There's another one of these on the front. Don't touch that. That is how you charge the vacuum. So you're looking at 1 on the bottom. 2 on the bottom, 1 on the back. Do not touch the 1 on the front. Then with those removed, the battery pull directly down, just like that. Put it back in place. Make sure you follow the angle of the handle. It'll slide in place and you can test it. Works. Pull it out. Obviously it does not work. Pull it in. Works. You'll feel a nice push and you'll know it's in. Obviously test it. And then again, charger, don't touch. Screw, screw, screw on the back. You want to put them in firmly, but not too hard. You don't want to strip the screws. Again, 3 screws. These little guys right here. And that is how you replace or remove the battery on your Dyson V10. Thanks for watching.